everyone's doing well. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a fantastic Mother's Day. Today I am here to talk to you all about story problems, specifically subtraction story problems and strategies we can use to solve them. So if we remember, subtraction is just taking away, right? Subtraction is taking away one number from another number, making our total less, right? And a story problem is just like a story problem with addition. A subtraction story problem is simply subtraction with a fun story around it, right? So I have a fun subtraction story problem for you today. So let's go ahead and dive into our subtraction story problem and the strategies we can use to solve it. So I'm going to start off with objects and my storyboard. So here I have a fun storyboard for you. And my story problem is that Miss Barry and Madame Zabo were sailing. While they were sailing, they saw some fish. I saw 7 blue fish. Madame Zabo saw 4 green fish. How many fewer fish did Madame Zabo see than me? So I'm going to say that one more time. Madame Zabo and I went sailing and we saw some fish. I saw 7 blue fish. Madame Zabo saw 4 green fish. How many fewer fish did Madame Zabo see than me? Okay, so wow, that was a lot of words, right? So to help me figure that out, I'm going to hone in on some certain words and add to my storyboard. So I said that I saw 7 blue fish, so I'm going to add 7 objects to my storyboard. So I just have here little blue pieces of construction paper. Okay? And I still labeled them because I always like to double check my work. So let's count to triple check. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So right there I have my 7 blue fish. Madame Zabo saw 4 green fish. So right here I have my 4 green fish, right? So which number is bigger? 4 or 7? 7 is bigger, right? So 7 will be my starting number. We always start with the biggest number. So 7 minus 4 equals how many, right? Because we want to know how many fewer fish do Madame Zabo see than me. So we know that I see more. So we want to know how many more, right? Or how many fewer fish Madame Zabo saw. So to figure this out, I'm going to take Madame Zabo's 4 fish and I'm going to put them in front of 4 of my fish. That way we can take them away. So here are her 4, and I'm going to put that right on top. So I'm taking away 1, 2, 3, 4 of my blue fish. See how I did that? We took away 4 of my blue fish. Subtraction is taking away. Give yourself a pat on the back. Let's keep going. So now we want to know how many fewer fish does she see. So 7 minus 4 equals how many? Let's count. Let's see how many that we have left over. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Awesome! So that's how we can solve that story problem with subtraction. Let's try it using our fingers. Everyone hold up both of your hands and put all your fingers down. Let's count out 7 because I saw 7 blue fish. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, do you remember how many green fish Madame Zabo saw? 4. So now let's take away 4. So 7 minus 4, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers are you still holding up? 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 4 equals 3, right? So we know that even I saw 7 fish. Took me a while to get there. I saw 7 fish. Madame Zabo saw 4 fish. We want to know how many fewer fish she saw than me. So 7 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 3. We can also solve that story problem using pictures. So on my storyboard, remember I saw 7 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Madame Zabo saw 4 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fewer fish did Madame Zabo see than I did. Now, it's really important to line our fish up. Okay, so I lined up my first fish with her first fish. I'm going to circle them, right? Or you can cross them out. 1 and 1. I lined up my second fish with her second fish. I lined up my third fish with her third fish, and my fourth fish with her fourth fish. So we both saw 4 fish. But now we want to know how many fewer fish she saw than me. So we want to know how many is left over. So once we lined up our 4 fish, how many fish are left over? 1, 2, 3. 3 fish are left over. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Awesome job. Now go ahead and watch my second part that will show you the rest of the ways that you can solve this story problem.